G'day YouTube, Warbles on a lot here with yet another movie in the SunFoil 5th prototype construction series. The dings on the fairing have been back sanded, the holes in the wrong places have been filled and sealed, and now, having gone all over this and marked new places for the holes, having taped and red ringed all the old holes which are in the wrong place, it's now time to drill new anchors all the way around. And sun angle. I'm going to be using a 1/8 inch hole as a pilot, followed by a 13/64 hole to allow the thread to go through the aluminium. Let's hope I don't make a mess of it this time. Okay, let's see how we go. Having marked the holes in the correct place, we now centre punch them. Doesn't have to be real hard, doesn't have to be real deep. We're working in aluminium. All you got to do is put a dimple in there to stop the drill from wandering. Take the 1/8 inch drill, set it in here. You notice you can't hear the generator running? It's because I'm going to be doing this on inverter power. So when I click the switch, there's a 2-stage startup, and this is a 1948 vintage Wolf brand English manufactured 1/4 horsepower electric drill. It was my father's. Now, this edge frame is actually double layer, and so they can put an angle biscuit in there to join their frames up. More modern drills, they have a variable speed switch. This thing, it's either on or it's off. So to vary the speed, you just click the switch. On, off, on, off, on, off. It's a triple insulated 2-pole switch. Very complicated. I've had the thing to pieces several times. The day I discovered the special modifications, I actually pulled the switch to pieces and put it back together about 7 or 8 times, and I still couldn't get the drill to work. But I eventually did. But at low speed, into soft metal you have to be a bit careful. Okay, I will now go and get a screw and we'll see whether it fits. Okay, well, I've collected some screws, back off just a little bit, and whoops, so there's no binding there on the aluminium frame. The screw, of course, is going to go in that way into the wood, and this time, so I don't blister my palm trying to drive these things with a manual screwdriver. Instead of a 5/64 hole, pilot hole, I'm going to put a 7/64 pilot hole. They should be easier to put in. So, start the next film when I'm ready to mark the holes. So I've got to drill a few more first. Ciao!